Ciao, I'm Chiara from Per Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy Christmas tree. For this project I use one skein of Diva Lux from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and I use hook number 6. A 15 cm polystyrene cone and colored balls. Okay, now we're going to start with the foundation chain, and this foundation chain needs to be in multiple of 4 plus 1, so we do chain 77. Okay, now we do one single crochet in the second chain from hook, and we continue to do one single crochet in each chain. Okay, now we're ready to start the wave partners. So first chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work, and now we do one double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So now we have 4 double crochets. Now chain 4, then turn the work, and now we do one slip stitch into the third chain from hook. Now we turn the work, chain 1, and now we do 7 double crochets in the chain 4 space. Okay, now we do one double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then chain 4. Then we turn the work, and now we do one slip stitch here in the first chain 4 space. So now we turn the work, and look, this is the first wave. Now chain 1, then we do 7 double crochets in the chain 4 space. So what we have to do now is to repeat this sequence. So first we do one double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Now chain 4, then turn the work, and now we do one slip stitch in the chain 4 space here, one slip stitch. Now turn the work once again, chain 1, then we do 7 double crochets into chain 4 space. So now we are going to repeat this sequence until we will have a total of 16 waves and 8 stitches unworked. Okay, now we have 16 waves, and as you can see we have 8 stitches unworked. In this way it will be easier to wrap it around the top of the tree. So now we cut the yarn, then we do 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, and before wrapping our waves around the tree we weave the tails inside the work. Okay, now grab your cone and begin to wrap. I suggest you to put some pins before using hot glue. And now we are ready to attach the little balls all around using hot glue. Okay, I create a star with the glitter yellow foam and the cut and dye with stars from Sizzix. You can find more information in the description box. So now I insert a toothpick, then I use the hot glue, so it's very easy. Okay, now we insert the toothpick on the top of the tree with the polystyrene cone. It's very simple. And now let me show you the finished Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Christmas tree. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!